This is a product review for Bluedio. The model is a BS-3. It's a portable Bluetooth speaker. I'm going to show you the box content and the package content first before I get to the review. You can pause the video at any time if you want to look at the package content closer. This is your specification. Here's more detail. In your package content, you will get a lot of user manual in different type of language. A micro USB charging cable. Your auxiliary for the audio. This is how your Bluetooth speaker will look like. Has a quality build to it. It's on a heavier side, but it has a high quality sound to it. On the bottom, it has a thick cushion for the rubber cushion for the gripping. On the side, has a micro USB cable, auxiliary for the audio. Your feature control, mute, 3D, volume up, volume down. Your on and off with your function control, like reverse, forward track, pause, play, hands-free, end call, or answer call. And this is your mic port. It's very loud. I'm going to show you how loud and clear the music is. I'm going to connect it to my smartphone. To connect it to the smartphone, turn it on your Bluetooth and hold down the power button until it connects.
Power on. Pairing.
It should connect to BS-3. Let me shut it off again since I don't have to pair no more.
Power off.
It's already been paired. Just click it once.
Power on. Thought connected.
It's connected. If you want to repair, then you have to hold down a whole way, and once it says pairing, then you can see the model BS-3. And I'm going to play music for you right now. My living room is pretty big. You can hear it from all the way over there. before I go, I think I forgot to mention you have two ports. One is for your charging port on the side, and next to your auxiliary port. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please make a comment and I will try to reply back as quick as possible. Thank you.